So today, this lecture, I wanted to do because of this issue, because I wanted to talk to myself about this, about the most foundational issue, which is faith. And I had a little rant before. Today, I'm feeling less bombastic about what's the problem with belief. Really, what is the problem with belief? What's the problem with faith? Why can't you? What is so hard about believing in a version of you that has what they want, that isn't suffering whatever displeasure or pain or injustice or whatever that you feel that you're expressing right now? What is so difficult about believing in this better version of you and your life and the lives of those around you? Why is that so tough? That limit is self-imposed, and you can let go of it at any time. I know sometimes by force of habit, we condition ourselves to just kind of keep re-traumatizing ourselves. But the less you pay attention to that, the less you feed that life through your thoughts, the more that will fade and die out. And the easier it will be to see, no, it's okay. Everything's going to be okay. And better than that, it's going to be even more imaginable, like unbelievably better than I had ever prior imagined. Like, I'm just going to keep moving into better and better states, having more wonderful and more joyous experiences. I'm just going to manifest bigger and bigger things in every aspect of my life and the lives of those around me and the world at large. Like, it's just going to get better. It's so easy to start moving into that. And if you're new to manifesting, go back and read Changing the Feeling of I, or if I have it posted on YouTube or you find it somewhere else, whatever, however you want to experience it, go ahead and have some experience of that lecture, because you're going to connect with what Neville's talking about there in a way that's very important to you right now. And you'll see it differently in a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. I guarantee it. Okay, I guarantee it. But in that lecture, Neville talks primarily about a man who, for him, it took, as far as Neville knew, 3 years, maybe a little bit less, because he'd already manifested a business by the time he met with Neville again. But to Neville's perspective of how he experienced him, it took this man 3 years to change who he thought he was and experience an outpicturing of this changed self. So if you feel like things aren't happening fast enough, they're happening fine. It's fine. It really is fine. It really is going to be okay. It really is going to work out. If you feel like it's not right now, you're just in a state. We're all just in a state, and you may be in a state that says it's not going to be fine, but that's just a state. I guarantee it will pass, and I guarantee you will move into a better state more quickly than you ever imagined you could. All right, so let's